So recently I posted this photo on Instagram and I noticed that many of you people want a tutorial on this one. So in today's video, we will be transforming this photo into something like this. So without any further, let's jump to the Photoshop and get started. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop and the first thing that we need to do is to make selection around the mountain. Now to refine this area, click on Select in Mask. Select this tool and then just brush on those areas. Hit OK. Once the selection is done, click on this icon to create a layer mask. Let's convert it into a smart object. Now drag and drop this image into the Photoshop. By the way, you can download this image from the link in the video's description. Anyways, let's move it to the top a little bit and then drag it down. Now to match the mountain with the background, we need to make it darker. So for this, we can use camera raw filter. So press Ctrl+Shift+A to open it. Here, drop down its temperature to about -25, increase its tint to about 20, decrease its exposure, give it some contrast, and decrease its highlights, shadows, and whites to about -10 units. Also increase its dehaze to about 10, and then hit OK. Now create a curves adjustment layer on top of it and adjust the graph just like this. Now as you can see, it is affecting everything. So right click on it and choose create clipping mask so that it will only limit the layer beneath it, which is the mountain. Now right click on this layer and choose blending option. And then move this slider slowly and gradually to the right side. Hold Alt key on your keyboard and click on it to break it apart and then adjust it just like this. Hit OK. Now select its layer mask and press Ctrl+I to invert it. Now pick your brush tool, make sure your foreground color is white. Select this soft rounded brush and brush on those areas. It will create this nice highlights. Now let me show you the before and after. So this is the before and this is after. By the way, if you want to learn how to create this design, you can watch this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.